Hello, this is Jay from Cucumber Shop, and today I want to introduce you to a couple cucumber melon varieties, as well as my Oya watering system. And so here we have three cucumber melon plants, Traveler of Soleto from southern Italy, and I'm hoping to grow these out to seed, but we'll see. I'll update you on their progress if they continue growing or if they get attacked by who knows what. Hopefully they do okay in the greenhouse. And then I have this Russian cucumber melon variety. This is a Cucumber-melon variety conomon. So it's a Asian, even though I got it from Russia. It originates from Asia. And then take that weed out there. And then I have some Marshall lettuce that would normally be dark red, but because it's in the greenhouse where it's warm, it doesn't get as red. This is a little redder. This is even more red, but it'd be very dark red if it was outside. Unfortunately, I have terrible squirrel problems here. So I have some carrots, some sun gold tomatoes that produced, but this poor plant did not make it. And then I wanted to show you my Oya system. So I have here this big bucket jug thing and a little faucet, and then it goes down through this filter. I've actually been putting rainwater in because I've got this filter, and then it goes down to these different Oyas. Let me see if I can show you one of it. So there's an Oya, and the Oya, the roots of the plant, you can see a little root there, will actually kind of go around that Oya and get a lot of water from that, and it just seeps the water throughout the season. So they're wonderful in that way, and so I have Oyas for most of these except for that very first one, and that's about it. Really great system. This was one called the Easi-Oyas, made in Australia, but is now discontinued. Really unfortunate. It was a fantastic system. There is a gentleman in Arizona who makes some Oyas as well. I could probably find that information and add it to the notes of this video, but I hope you enjoy. This is Jay from Cucumber Shop. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and happy gardening.